Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Uringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the do the technical analysis for Praj Industries. Praj Ind is the ticker name, and you are watching the monthly technical chart of the stock. And this is the historical price chart, and these are all the technical indicators that are deployed in the stock for technical analysis. These are all the graphs generated by these technical indicators. Regarding data, we have data since 2012 June onwards up to 2017 November 22nd. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock, I mean, as per the data we are having, we can see a lot of zigzag movement and lot many sideways, right? Here, if I'm keeping crosshairs here for your understanding, see this phase and a new high, and then this phase and again a new high, and again this phase, like this. Okay, there is no particular pattern to decipher. There is no particular the way the stock can be predictable. The path pattern of the stock, that sort of thing is not there right now. It is not at formed, and it is not at freezed. So that sort of thing. But if you look at the temporal pattern, that this the way this Praj Industries is moving, at the moment we can see the trend is moving in the upward direction. I'm keeping the crosshairs here so that you can clearly see the trend. This particular line, right? This is moving in the upward direction, and this stock has recently crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average, and because of this positive trend, right now it is in the positive trend. At least as per my expectation, it will go up to this point, at least 119. Okay, so that is the expectation in this positive trend, and let's see that, but not quite sure because we need to dig into the guiding parts of the technical indicators, and then we'll see whether the stock has that much strength to cross its previous peak or not. Okay, now if you look at the RSI is just peaking up, and it is just playing above the midpoint and top line. It is yet to touch or at least cross the top line, and it is but it is peaking up. That is there. Good. Direction strength of the stock crashed. Stochastics is playing near the bottom line, that means the 20 line, but if you look at the tip, the positive line is on top of the slow line, and the fast line is on top of the slow line, and both lines are diverging, which is a good signal. And if this trend continues, then definitely this stock will cross its previous peak. That means that 118, and it will go beyond that. Okay, now price volume is almost constant, and momentum is again just playing on top of the baseline, and it is just lying on the top of the baseline, and there is a lack of momentum that we can clearly see. Balance of power and is slightly bullish, and elder is supporting the balance of power. Both are in sync with each other, and both are telling us that the stock is slightly bullish right now. And Kopeck curve is, if you look at the Kopeck curve, it is right now in the negative zone, and it is if you put a dotted line here, and it looks like the trend, as per the trend, it looks like it will cut through the the baseline, and it will enter the positive zone. But it didn't. It is yet to do that. But looks like the trend is like that. So it seems like that. Okay, then now we are getting mixed signals here, and RSI is okay, stochastics is somewhat okay. Momentum is completely down, and direction strength is also completely down, and Kopeck curve is yet to show the signal. But initially, it is showing some signs that it is about to, the stock is about to enter into the buy mode. Okay, now based on this particular Praj Industries is into this infrastructure related stuff. So keeping all these things in consideration, I feel like at this moment, we can consider this stock for short-term trading rather than long-term or medium-term investment. Because we need to we will come back to the stock later after a few days, and then see its new movements, and based on that we will take a decision. But until then, the stock is good for short-term trading. That is the conclusion. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.